Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a company page on LinkedIn. First, open LinkedIn and log into your account. Once you are on your homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see an option called For Business. Click on it. A menu will appear. From that menu, select Create a Company Page. Next, you will choose the type of page you want to create. If you are building a page for a business, select the company option. If you want to promote a specific brand or project, choose Showcase Page. If you are creating a page for a school or university, select Educational Institution. Pick the option that best matches your goal. Now you will enter your page details. Start by typing your company name and creating a public LinkedIn URL. Then choose your industry, company size, and company type. Make sure all information is accurate because this represents your brand. After that, you will add branding. Upload a square logo that clearly represents your business. Then write a short tagline. Keep it under 120 characters and make it clear and professional. Next, you need to verify that you have permission to create this page. Check the box confirming that you are authorized to act on behalf of the company. Then click on the Create Page button. Your company page will be created and ready to use. Thanks for watching.